Welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge. Let's begin question 50, power. And so here we're given two numbers and we have to raise x to the power of n. Okay. Seems like in the examples, 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. 2.1 to the power of 3 is, I guess, this number. So let's just see if we can do this. X. And this is a Python operator to return x to the power of n. That works for all test cases given to us. And wow, that was very easy. Are there any better solutions, or does not seem like there are any better solutions? Instead, there are. No, this is clearly the easiest one. Okay, well, I guess just an easy question. So thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.